I hope you are doing well. So today I'm going to represent my assignment 2, lab 2. So let's start with exercise 1. So in lab 1, so here's my exercise.java. So in this first of all, in first example, uh, I am returns the sum of the integer in given array. So the above given iterative algorithm find the sum of elements of given array. So the basic operation is addition that is performed in for loop. So since the loop runs n minus 1 times, the running time for the above method is t of n equals to n minus 1 equals to uh, 0 of n. So here it will take first of all it takes constant time 0 of 1, and for loop from 0 to n minus 1, so it takes time 0 of n. Total it takes constant time 0 of 1, and returns it takes constant time 0 of 1. In the another example, returns the sum of the integers with a even index in given array. So the basic operation is the addition in for the loop. So since the loop runs n minus 1 by 2 times, the running time for the above method is t of n equals to n minus 1 by 2 equals to 0 of n. So here it returns the in the another example, the returns the sum of the prefix sum of the given array. So the basic operation is performing in the inner for loop, and the inner for loop executes, and each time for I times. So the running time for the above method t of n equals to 1 plus 2 plus up to n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 equals to n2 by 2 plus n by 2 equals to 0 of n2. In the another example, it returns the sum of the prefix sum of given array. So the basic operation is to addition in for the loop, since the loop run n minus 1 times, and the running time for above method is t of n equals to n minus 1 equals to 0 of n. Coming to the coming to the last example, returns the number of times second array stores sum of prefix sums from the first. So in the above given iterative method finds the number of elements in the second equal to the sum of prefix in the first prefix sum in the first. So the basic operation is addition in the deepest for loop. The deepest for loop runs n times n into j times. So the running time for the above method is t of n equals to n 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 equals to n2 bracket n plus 1 by 2 equals to n3 by 2 plus n2 by 2, and equals to 0 of n3. Now coming to the second exercise, prefix average.java. So here I have created random array of type double, getting the random numbers using maths.random library. So here in the method, I have here in the find time, I have passed the parameter size. So here in the main method, it will size will 100 will pass, find time 100. So here here it will create random array size of 100, and it will store in data of array. So and we will get time in milliseconds. So the prefix average 1 of 100, and it will be same as prefix average 2. So now let's run this out. Let's run this exercise and let's see the output. So here we can see there is for the size of 100, prefix 1 time is 1 millisecond. For the size 1000, prefix time is 4 millisecond, and for size 10,000 we have 65 millisecond, and so on for the next another size. So thank you, professor, for watching this video.